Hi, Miss Burnett's class. I hope you're having a good day. I just want to help you through some of the directions for the next part of the class. So after you finish watching this video and listening to the song, you're going to click on this link to open Seesaw. And so you're going to use the blue scan code button. Hi! And you'll scan in your class. So remember that you'll have to choose your name. So I'm going to go in as Genevieve, just for an example. And then what you're going to do is we're going to add something new. So we're going to use this plus sign. And what we want to do is we want to add a photo. All right. So in this photo, you want to have you, yourself, and your hand as a turkey. So you have to play around a little bit. And for me, I might switch hands so I can use my right hand to take the picture. All right, so got my turkey in there, got my face. All right, so 1, 2, 3. If you need to retake the photo, you can use this button here. But when you're ready to go, click the check. Now we're going to use the drawing tool to turn our hand into a turkey. So I might use some thicker paint to do the feathers of my turkey, and you can choose whatever colors you'd like. So I'm going to make, all right. So now I have to give him a tiny little beak, so I'm going to make it a thinner. All right. And I'm going to add that little gobble thing. I don't really know what it's called, but I call it a little gobbler. And he needs an eye. I'm also going to give him a little wing so that my little turkey can fly. And the last thing he'll need is he needs some legs. All right, so once you've taken your picture and drawn your turkey, you're going to click that green check once, you'll click it twice, and then it will load your picture. The last thing you need to do before you go to your ABC Yacht choice is to sign out. So you need to click on your upper name once, twice, and then you can sign out. And the last thing that you could do is you can go click back where it says first grade, and now you can make that choice on ABC Yacht. Have a good day.